So the Mi Band 5 has released in China, and in this video we're going to be talking about the major upgrades of Mi Band 5 from the Mi Band 4. And at the end of this video we will be talking about whether the Mi Band 5 is worth the upgrade or not. So stick around. So the first things first, the new sensor. The Mi Band 5 is having a sensor upgrade from the Mi Band 4, and the new sensor will be able to track the oxygen level in your blood. As has been rumored for quite some time, the Mi Band 5 brings PAI, which is Personal Activity Intelligence function that will help you track your health better. The fitness band comes equipped with a heart rate sensor as usual, but there is now a SpO2 sensor which can monitor your blood oxygen levels. You will be able to see whether you're stressed or not using this feature. Well, if the Mi Band 5 manages to do it properly, it's gonna be very handy in this whole coronavirus situation. But we can't accidentally get it in our hands, which I hopefully will be in a few days. So if you don't want to miss out on the hands-on review of Mi Band 5, please consider subscribing. So the next upgrade in the Mi Band 5 from the Mi Band 4 is a lifesaver. It is the new charging system. Well, in all the past smart bands from Xiaomi, you needed to detach the band from the strap in order to charge it. But in the Mi Band 5, life gets easier. The new charging dock can charge the Mi Band 5 without detaching it from the strap. Okay, so the new smart band from Xiaomi has a 20% larger display from the previous model. So you are gonna get the same quality AMOLED screen, but this time the display is 1.1 inch instead of 0.95 inch on the Mi Band 4. But to be honest, we were expecting a full screen display in the Mi Band 5, but that's not happening this time. To be brutally honest, I'm kind of disappointed with the screen as it is pretty much the same as the Mi Band 4, but let's hope for the best and hopefully Xiaomi brings us a full screen display smartband in near future. So the new Mi Band 5 will be supporting NFC Union Pay and Quick Pass. Mind you, there will be two versions of the Mi Band 5. One of them will be supporting NFC, the other will not. The Chinese version is likely gonna support the NFC and the global variant is likely to come without it. So before you buy the Mi Band 5, make sure you get the one you want. In the new Mi Band 5, you will be able to take pictures from your smartband. Well, this feature isn't that exciting or not even entirely new. In the Mi Band 4, you were able to do it using a third-party application, but in the Mi Band 5, you will be able to do it in the user interface of Mi Band 5, which is definitely better than using a third-party application, and the camera quality will definitely be better in the stock camera application. So if you thought the Mi Band 4 didn't have enough features, the Mi Band 5 is offering you 11 professional sport modes instead 6 on the Mi Band 4. So this is definitely gonna come handy if you're an athletic person. The Mi Band 5 brings along new women health feature. In the new Mi Band 5, you will be able to keep track of your menstrual cycles via the fitness band. It's gonna be very handy for every single woman out there. Very insightful from Xiaomi. Besides all of these, there are a few physical changes in the Mi Band 5, like the circular capacitive button on the Mi Band 4 has been replaced with an inverted U button on the Mi Band 5. But to be honest, there's not much to separate the Mi Band 5 from the Mi Band 4. Honestly, I'm not too convinced with the new design of the Mi Band 5. It feels more like a software upgrade from the Mi Band 4 rather than improvement in the hardware department. So these were pretty much all about the new features of Mi Band 5 over the Mi Band 4. The Mi Band 5 will definitely be supporting all the features of Mi Band 4 like music control, water resistance and other stuff, which you can watch in the I button or in the description. And we already has access to a ton of watch faces in the Mi Band 4, but Xiaomi is adding a bunch of new watch faces into the mix. There will be over 100 watch faces accessible from the Mi Fit app, but you all know there will be uncountable number of watch faces available for the new Mi Band 5, exactly how you got it for the Mi Band 4. In the Mi Band 4, you were able to track your sleep when you were sleeping for long hours, but in the Mi Band 5, you will be able to track your sleep throughout the day. So the Mi Band 5 will be able to count your afternoon naps or basically anytime you are sleeping. The new sleep monitoring feature has been updated to give the users more insight about their sleeping patterns. So if you sleep more than once in 24 hours, you're gonna have a better idea of your sleeping pattern through the Mi Fit app. Now let's talk about the price and availability. So the Mi Band 5 has been priced at 189 yuan, which is around 2000 Indian rupees for the standard variant, while the NFC edition will cost 220 yuan, which is around 2500 Indian rupees. It is gonna go on sale from 18 June on China, but Xiaomi hasn't shared any information about the India launch of Mi Band 5. But looking at the past records, we can expect it to make its debut in India in probably a couple of months. Okay, so it's time to answer the burning question. Is it worth for you to upgrade to Mi Band 5 if you're already using the Mi Band 4? The answer is not very simple. I think if you really want to upgrade, the reason should be the new charging dock, and if you're a woman. Being able to keep track of your menstrual cycles in your smartband is gonna come really handy for every single woman out there. Other than that, I don't see much of reason for you to upgrade if you're already using the Mi Band 4. The Mi Band 4 lasts more than 14 days easily on a single charge, and if you don't mind detaching your smartband from the strap for charging in every 14 days, I don't really see much of a reason for you to upgrade. So what do you think, guys? Especially the Mi Band 4 users. Do you guys have a stronger reason to upgrade from the Mi Band 4? If yes, then leave that in the comment section. I'll be really excited to know about that. And that was pretty much all about for today. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And as always, thanks a lot for watching. Asha kori abaro dekha hobe.